So what is the fundamental in securing procedures? Shifting cargo presents hazards such as damage to the vessel or explosion. It is important that all precautions be taken to protect cargo from shock, fire, high temperature, moisture, or any other hazards that could lead to a catastrophe. Okay. In transit, repairs to damage or resecuring shifted cargo are difficult and dangerous. The term securing describes the procedures by which military explosives are effectively blocked, braced, and tomed. This block, brace, and tome, these are methods for securing, okay? Aboard merchant type ship. So, on my vessel, on the container vessel, we are using the lashings, okay? The lashing, this one. We are containers, so we are using the lashings. Okay? And this is for the bulk carriers. Bulk carriers or general cargo carriers. Okay? Tapos, securing is done to resist forces generated by vessel response to sea condition and includes various wooden structures. It also includes any straps or webs that are used to restrain cargo stowed in the holds on the weather deck of the ship. The terms blocking and bracing describe more specifically the securing process. The terms are closely related, although each function is distinctly different. So these are securing. These are type of securing. This one, this is for securing the coils, and these are for securing it on top. Okay, but we will go on later with the securing, with the methods of securing. So why is there a need of solid stow and securing of all cargoes? Okay, so cargo on board a ship will tend to shift with the motion of the ship. So for example, this six motion of the ship, the six motion, it has something to do with the cargo inside. If the lashings or if the securing of the cargo inside the cargo hold are not properly secured, so the damage will be most likely to occur in this ship's motion. For example, you are rolling, so and securing is not so proper. It's not being done properly. So your cargoes will be like this. Damages will occur inside the cargo hold. So it will be a big question to the vessel and to the stevedoring party on the at port. Okay, it will be a big question, but it will be a big question, big question to the crew. Okay, they don't they don't check if the lashings or if the securings are properly done. On shore, any knot which is fitted tightly on a bolt works loose with vibration. As such, spring washers are used together. Okay, lashing except for the turnbuckles. This is not practical on shipboard lashing except for turnbuckles and bottle screws with the restrained bars. Below deck lashings further are not attended. So, ang lashing, we are doing the lashings only on deck. Okay, for the containers only on deck. But on the cargo hold, we don't lash any containers on the cargo hold. Lashing is by using the turnbuckles. Using turnbuckles, using lashing rods. That is lashing. Okay, and these are the toming, shoring, and bracing. Okay. Okay, mostly in the container. If the lashing is not being properly done, so this will lead to container being damaged on the sides. Okay, on the container vessels, the sides are the more crucial. Okay, the sides of the container vessel are more crucial, the seaside, because if the seaside is not properly lashed by the lashing rods, by the vertical rods. So it will be a big question to the chief mate, why does the lashing on the seasides not being properly done? And it will be, for example, this is a foundation. The sides are the foundation. If the foundation will be not so good in lashing, so the thing will be a domino effect. It will be a domino effect. So the sides will go down, at will the containers will go down, so it will be a domino effect. Domino effect, okay? Ah, Naiintindihan ba yung sinabi ko, guys?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
Sir.
guys,
Medyo malabo po.
medyo malabo. Okay. Medyo malabo yung sinabi ko o medyo malabo yung PowerPoint?
PowerPoint po.
PowerPoint po.
Parehas po. PowerPoint po.
Parehas.
Yes, sir,
Okay,
PowerPoint po.
parehas malabo. Okay, ganito yung sinasabi ko. Yung container, sa container vessel natin, sorry, wala pa ako mabasa. Okay. Okay lang, may PowerPoint naman tayo na mada-download. Sa container vessel, yung seaside, yung mga nasa gilid, kailangan lashed yan na mabuti. Okay? Kasi yan yung magiging foundation. Kapag hindi yan na-lash na mabuti at natanggal lahat ng mga lashing yan, mga lashing bars, natanggal, kapag nag-rolling kayo, nag-pitching, or kung anumang motion ang mangyayari sa ship nyo in adverse weather, maapektuhan yung container na yan, babagsak yan sa tubig. Okay? Babagsak sa tubig, magiging domino effect yan. Hindi naman pwedeng yan lang ang bumagsak sa tubig. Babagsak din yung ibang container sa tubig kung hindi lash properly lahat. Okay? Okay? Naintindihan ba?
Apo, sir, may tanong lang po.
Yes, what is your question?
Sir, pag po ilalagay na po yung cargo sa vessel, in-inspect pa po yung kahit po yung sobrang secured na po.
Ini-inspect ng ano?
Yung mga ano po, para po kung ano po yung laman, kumbaga.
Okay. Kung ano yung laman. So,
Apo.
You are referring to the container vessel as ano?
Yes po.
Okay. Ini-inspect ba namin kung anong laman? Are we inspecting the what is on inside the containers? No, we are not inspecting the cargoes inside the containers, because that is prohibited for us. Okay? It is prohibited. Only chief mate and only the planner at port, chief mate and planner, they are the ones who knows what is inside the container. Okay? For us, for officers, for other officers, and for the ratings, we are not obliged and we are not required to inspect inspect the cargo inside the container. It is prohibited for us because it has a seal. For example, on the door of the container, on the aft part, the door or the forward part of the container, there's a door, and if the door seal is already open, it's a big question to the vessel. Why is it open? Why is the seal open? We for example, the charter, we put the container in a good condition with the seals closed, but why is it that you discharge the container with the seals open? Okay, it will be a big question to us. Okay, so we are not required to know the commodities inside the container. So only chief mate and the planner on the port knows one. Okay.
Di sir, kahit po illegal na kung ano pong illegal yun.
Okay.
Para nag-blurred ka.
Kahit illegal pa, paano kung illegal? So it depends to the port. Okay? It's already on the port. So dun sa port naman, if the port is